iOS 17.2 is out with a bunch of new features, and let's see how you can update your software in order to get the new features that it offers. The newest version of iOS 17 was rolled out a little earlier than expected, and it is available for the devices that you can see on this list. If you have an iPhone XS or XR and newer, you can easily get and install this update on your device. We can do that by opening the settings on our device and then tap on this General section. The next step is to open the Software Update, and you will see that we have the iOS 17.2 update in here. The update has around 1.3 gigabytes in size, and I'm using an iPhone 14 Pro. Maybe the update is going to be bigger for your device. If you have that amount of storage, simply tap on the Update Now option and then wait a couple of minutes until the update downloads for your device. After it downloads, you will be able to install it and enjoy all of the new features that iOS 17.2 offers. It has the new Journal application, which allows you to write about your day and offers intelligent suggestions based on your activity to inspire your journal entries. You will also be able to record spatial video if you are an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max user, or newer. I will do a separate video where I'll cover the new features of iOS 17.2, so make sure to subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.